Good afternoon. This is Jan Rose Witt with the Rose Witt team and Terra Firma Properties coming to you from beautiful Long Beach. And I wanted to let all of you know about a new program that's coming out just before the holiday weekend. We've got good news. The Franchise Tax Board here in California has just brought out a new program. Many of you know that the current $8,000 tax credit for first-time home buyers is about to expire. And this is a new program that's going to start May 1, and it's going to run May 1 through the end of December this year. And it is on a first-come, first-served basis. It's a $2 million of tax credits in California for for home buyers buying new properties, and $100 million is for first-time home buyers. I'm going to stress again that it's first-time home buyers and first-come, first-serve. The $10,000 is going to be handled a little bit differently than the $8,000 credit was handled. I'm going to read what they say. It says it will be equal to 5% of the purchase price of your home up to $10,000. So that would mean if you're buying a property, say for $200,000, you would get the whole $10,000 tax credit. It's going to be applied in equal amounts over a period of 3 taxable years. And I'm sure there's going to be some other limitations to it as to maybe that you have to live in the property for all of those years, etc. We don't have all of the news on the bill. This is just the kind of a precursor to what's happening. I wanted you all to know that this is coming aboard. It's very important for a lot of people trying to get into their first homes this year. So that's the news. We'll have more news on this coming probably next week again. So I wanted to thank all of you for your business that you've provided me this year and ask for your support, that if you know anyone who would be a good candidate for this program, to give me a call. We have a couple of new properties coming on the market next week, and we'll be bringing you videos on those properties as they come aboard. But most, I really wanted to wish you and your families just a very, very happy Easter, and I hope you spend some time with your families and your loved ones, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Take care.